Good morning. My name is Mark Martin. I am humbled to become the 7th Superintendent of Meade County Schools. I want to thank the members of the Board of Education for this opportunity to positively influence the lives of students. My wife Rachel and I feel so blessed to raise our 3 children in such a caring community. During my tenure, we will have a narrow focus on doing what is best for students. I promise you that each and every day that I will put my head down and go to work for all students that have access to engaging instruction, which will position them for a quality life. The whole student experience is important as well. And we will have vertically aligned student offerings, starting with our co-curriculars, with our FFA, our HOSA, just to name 2, our extracurriculars, with our band, our chorus, and all athletic programs that will prepare our students to be leaders and compete for championships. We will identify barriers, build bridges, not walls, to pursue this winning culture. See, I believe in the power of team, and our teams will be people of integrity, those that have the ability to impact students, and those who lead each and every day with a servant's heart for children. This community has a sense of pride that is truly unique and special, and we need support from each and every one of you to become the district that we want to be. I am honored to serve Meade County, and we will do great things together. Go Greenwaves!
By itsmontez.com. Get yourself a real content creator. Duh.